Math 102, example 4.7.1. So in this section, we're going to solve logarithmic equations where we have two or more log terms in our problem. Now, our first type of logarithmic equation, every single term on both sides is a logarithm. Now, I don't like to have those multiple logs, so my first step is to combine logs. So over here on the right-hand side, because those logs are added, using my log properties, that means I turn that into multiplication. Again, I do have to know my log properties in order to do these. And I'm going to go ahead and multiply that out right away. I like to do my multiplication right away. So on the right-hand side, I get x squared plus 2x. Now, if I've done this type of problem correctly, I have a single log on both sides. They have the same base, so I am allowed to drop those logs. And I will get x plus 6 is x squared plus 2x. Now at this point, every problem will be a little different, but it should be a problem that we know how to solve. Since this is a quadratic, let's get everything on one side. I like to have my square positive, so I'm going to move everything to the right-hand side, and that means I will then get a plus x and a minus 6. As always for quadratics, you may certainly use the quadratic formula. I like to factor where I can. And so I get that x is -3 and x is +2. Now my final step, it's easy to do, but it's also easy to forget to do. Remember our domain of a logarithm. I can't take a log of a negative, and I can't take a log of 0. So I want positive answers only. So here, I'm going to throw out the -3 and keep just +2 as my answer.